Hi, we are going to add the $ADDQ to the same chart as the $VOLD. The $ADDQ is the same thing as the VOLD, but it's for the Nasdaq volume. Then we want to have two charts, one under the other, with green and red vertical lines. And the first thing you need to get is a 1 minute chart for the $ADDQ to be able to add on this chart. Then the first thing is press the F5 and click the symbol that I don't have, Nasdaq tilde $ADDQ, and that is going to create a daily chart for this symbol. And after it's done, we're going to convert this chart to a 1 minute chart. 1525. Click. I use the TF. I click the TF and convert to 1 minute. Now we have a 1 minute chart of the $ADDQ. I'm going to close this. I don't need that there. I can close this chart and go back just for the $VOLD. Now the $VOLD, I'm going to add an indicator called line chart, and this indicator I can go and say what symbol in time frame I want to put on the same chart. In this case, I want to put the $ADDQ 1 minute. Then it's right there, my ADDQ, and the chart's the 1 minute's right there. I can double click here, and that will show now on this chart. Now the second thing I'm going to do, delete this one from here. The second thing I'm going to do is again add a Z subconst like I did on this the $volume, and instead of using the close of the $volume, I'm going to use the close of the line chart that was added here. Then indicators Z sub const, I'm going to edit, and I'm going to say that I want to use the close of the line chart ADD close. I want to change this to 0 because I want the difference from to 0. I'm going to make the draw type be vertical lines, and in the line results I'm going to ask to paint the lines in green for long, for above the 0 in this case, and because crossing 0 line, and below 0 short to be red. And then we go back to, okay, one more thing, we need also to put that in the same subchart. The line chart is in subchart 2. We need to put this one also in subchart 2. Then you have now the green and red lines of the $ADDQ in the same chart of the $VOLD. And just to make it nicer, because these are all the bars that you're seeing here, you can just come in here and right click on the line chart and just say do not show. Then this disappears and you have just the green and red lines. You can do the same thing for the $ADD, and you have 3 charts at the same time on the same small window.